Hello, I'm Sahil Sonwane from B.Tech CSE second year. I belong to the batch of CET 2022. I'm very glad that I'm a part of Mewar University. As everyone says that nothing is perfect within itself, but when you will visit Mewar University, you will deserve the perfection, you realize the discipline, and you realize what exactly the enhancement is. As a computer science student, our department gives us exposure to the various type of labs. We have the supporting faculties, and the most important thing, we have supporting HODs. Our HOD, our department, make us aware about the new technologies which is upcoming in the world. They help us to enhance the ability in that. They organize various type of workshops. They organize various type of seminars. They organize various type of field visits so that student can enhance their ability. I'm glad that I'm a part of Mewar University as because it's helped me to sharpen my skills and to enhance my ability. As a part of Mewar University, I just like to say that be a part of Mewar University, that so a person will enhance his ability as such that the point will never decrease out. Thank you.